everybody. Welcome to Detention. You guys all look happy to be here. I'm sorry that we couldn't be here under better circumstances, but hey, you know, that's why they call it detention.
Can we do some power exercises?
No, as a matter of fact, we can't do any power exercises because in detention, there's no talking and no powers. What we are going to do are a whole lot of exercises centered on why exactly we're here today.
That's lame. I don't want to do that the whole time.
Oh, you think so? Well, we're going to do all sorts of thrilling things. It's my job to make sure you do these exercises I'm talking about.
Like what exercises?
Like writing on the board 100 times, I will not make my teacher's sandwich float during the lunch break.
She said she packed a light lunch. She set herself up.
Okay.
I'm out of here. There's no way I'm staying out here all afternoon. I'm teleporting home. Oh, that hurt.
I told you, no superpowers in class. I may have forgotten to mention that the class itself prevents you from being able to use them. Can't even use mine.
What are your powers anyway?
Super teaching. I'm kidding. Do me a favor. Don't worry about powers. There are plenty of other things that we can be doing today. Such as, we are going to write sentences on the board. Cool? No less than 100. Each will work in shifts. 2,
Wash the windows. 3, reorganize the room.
I got a plan. Watch this. Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, young man, you can go to the bathroom. Hurry back, though. So, as I was saying, there's tons of things we can do in detention today.
Wrong place. Wrong place. Yes. Finally.
Yeah, that kid's been gone in the bathroom a real long time. Should probably go make sure he's not doing anything. Be right back. Taking forever and a day. On the other side of tomorrow. This kid, what am I gonna do about this kid?
I gotta get back.
Hurry up.
That was close.
And I'm back.
shield.
Teacher, Faith. My powers will not be.
You cut it out there.
You can make stuff levitate. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I'm not playing with you. I'm not dealing with this. Stop using your powers for evil. Stop there. Stop. Cut it out. I didn't get into this business for this. I just wanted to teach. No. Please.
Yay! It's time to leave. Finally! Yes, finally!
Oh, I'm way too old for this.